Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to display invoice quantity and total invoice amount in product form. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev product invoice link. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to sales, go to products, go to anyone, and see here this invoice quantity and invoice amount is 0. But I want to updatable here. So first create invoice, add customer deco ID, add product, customizable desk custom black, add here quantity total 2. Let's save, to confirm, pay and create payment. So see here total quantity 2 and total amount. Now go to sales, go to products variant and go to this product customizable desk custom black. So see here this invoice quantity total 2 and invoice amount display here. Thank you.